Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 6.4, all about other polygons. So in 6.3 we looked at creating triangles, and at 6.1 and 6.2 we looked at different types of triangles, and now we're just going to look at, generally speaking, other polygons. Oh yeah, and we also looked at quadrilaterals a little bit in 6.3. And so now we're going to be looking at other polygons, and so we're going to start with what we know, and we're going to branch out from there. So just to get you an idea of, just to remember what these sort of words or parts of words mean, I want to highlight something here for you. Maybe a different color, green. When we have something in front, it's oftentimes a description of the second part. So in this case, bicycle or bicycle means that it has two, and then cycle means two tires. Okay, well, bicycle is two tires, and then tricycle has three tires. And think about a quad, like an ATV, an all-terrain vehicle. A quad has how many tires? Well, it has four, so quad means four, and I don't think we say quad cycle. I don't think anyone says that, but you could really think of it as that, a quad cycle. But anyways, a quad, and so yeah, so we have some idea of bi means two, tri means three, quad means four, and so let's just convert that into shapes a little bit here. Three tires, three cycle. Triangle, what do you think this means? Well, tri means three. Angle means, well, you guessed it, angle. So angle means angle. So a triangle has 1, 2, 3 angles in it. Most of the other shapes, I want you to think about sides. Triangle, it's just easy to remember because it says triangle, but you could also remember it as three sides. Doesn't really matter which one you want to think about it as. And then we look at a quadrilateral. And so triangle and quadrilateral are the only two that are kind of different in the way that they appear. So triangle, quadrilateral. And so this is essentially a rectangle or a square. And it's got four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay. Well, we're just going to go up the scale after this, and each one just goes up by one. So penta, 5, or actually, not penta, the pent means 5. Agon, you can think about it as 5 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexa, or hex, means 6. Agon means sides. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And then we're going to scroll all the way up to heptagon, which hept means 7, agon means sides. And you can start to see the pattern here. But the part that you have to remember is just literally memorization is going to have to be that. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, one more. It's close. There you go. That's 7 sides. Anyways, so you're going to have to just remember the front part of each of these. So I'll just go over that one more time at the end here. Oct means 8, like octopus. Right? So 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's easier. It's like a stop sign. Okay. And non or non-agon. So non means 9. Agon means sides. And Dec. It's 10. Agon means sides. And I don't think I can draw this. Let's see here. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Okay, well, you know, it's not great, but you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Anyway, roughly 10 sides. Okay, so we've got all those different shapes, and this is what you have to remember. Okay, so just a quick, hopefully quick recap. Tri is 3. Quad means 4. Pent means 5. Hex is 6. Hept is 7. Oct is 8. Non is 9. And dec is 10. So this is what you have to remember. This is just pure memorization. Okay, so there's a little bit more to this topic besides memorization. There are 2 other things to think about. The first of that is regular versus irregular. Well, there's really only one trick to this. Regular means all sides and angles are equal. So let's highlight that. All are equal. So then irregular is just the opposite of that. So irregular is something is not equal. Okay? It's just one or more of them are not equal. Okay, so here's a picture of all of the different regular polygons. And better than my drawings, as you can see, all sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So you can see there that it's not so bad if a computer draws it. You can count them out. But if you're asked to draw an irregular polygon, let's say you're asked to draw an irregular heptagon, because that's much easier than a regular heptagon. Then you're going to try to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So as long as you draw a shape with 7 sides, and maybe I'll just go in a little bit like this. So as long as you try to draw a shape with 7 sides, then it shall work out for you. Okay. So a regular polygon could be like literally any shape at all, as long as they're not equal. Now, let's think about a slightly different situation where we could have a quadrilateral, and so you're thinking to yourself, how do I make that irregular? Well, you can do it however you want, but this is one option. So now we've got 4 sides, and one is definitely, this one here is definitely longer than the rest. You don't have to have it coming in. You could have a pentagon like this, and then just have like that. Oh, guess what? It's an irregular pentagon. Sides don't line up. Okay, so that's the majority of it. Now we only have 2 other comparisons to do, concave and convex. This is very, very easy for me to remember anyway. Hopefully for you as well. Concave, well, I think about this as a cave. So if I draw, let's draw a hexagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how there's a cave in on this side of the polygon. Well, If there's a cave in, if it's pushing into the shape in any spot, like it is here, right, then it's concave. Okay, well, let's think about convex. It's just going to be the opposite of that. So when I think about this vex part, I look at that V and I see an upside down mountain. I know that's a little bit crazy, but it's pointy. So all the outside parts are pointy. So if we think about quadrilateral, all the outside parts are pointy, pointing outward, not pointing in like this one. So concave is caved in, convex is pointed out. Irregular, all are equal, or all are unequal, sorry, and regular, all are equal. And just a recap, tri 3 equals 3, quad is 4, pent 5, hex 6, hept 7, oct 8, non 9, dec is 10. I hope this video helps, and good luck.